I've been a fan of LogoLounge for quite some time, and the awesome things that Bill Gardner and his team are doing over there. These videos sometimes can have a bunch of fluff, so I'm going to get right to it. First of all, yeah, I've got this certificate that kind of comes in the mail once you get your logos in the book, and yeah, I've got this new sticker this year, which is pretty slick, that you can essentially, once the book comes, you can put that sticker in the book, and they're keeping things interactive over there. So that's kind of fun to get something like that. And here are some of those certificates with getting a logo in this publication, so you can kind of see what that looks like a little bit. Yeah, just kind of going through and seeing some of these. This is a nice, just regular, kind of weighty sheet of paper here, a nice little cardstock, little gloss on there, really solid. Something that I'd love to, very easy to frame for sure. If that's your thing, framing it up in your office or showing it off for the world to see. But yeah, without further ado, let's open this mug. And there it is. Wow, this is really nice hardback. Got some nice weight to it. Got a gloss on there. Show you the back. Yeah, really cool. 2,500 logos in this that were accepted on this book. There's the spot for the sticker. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna stick that in there. There we go, it's official. And then you've got the state of design. It looks like the jury is kind of giving essentially their take on where design is, where it's going, where things are trending. And we got some different logo pieces that are referenced in that section too. Oh, cool. This is a little map of, more than 20,000 designers spanning the world from 68 countries that are in this resource. Really cool. LogoLounge is one of the top digital directories of logos in the entire world, so it's only $100 a year. For me, being a freelancer, independent, I'm super frugal when it comes to where I spend my money, and talk about a no-brainer investment. I mean, $100 a year to be able to reference these logos along the way on their platform, and also for the chance to be in a publication like this. And what a opportunity in potential clients' minds coming into when they see on your website that you're an award-winning logo and you have your logos in a publication like this that's a bestseller. I mean, that just gives that social proof and extra influx of value to put you ahead of the game. And so as a result, man, you can raise your rates, you can land more qualified clients, and land a greater amount of clients too. I'm going to page through this for you so you can kind of see some of the different logos that are highlighted in here. But man, look at that. Awesome stuff. So much fun. And then you got your case studies in there. And he categorizes these so well in the book too. So if you're looking for animals, you've got them even paring down to birds, different types of animals. Everything from monograms to badges, sports, crests, more typographic logos, the logo types, enclosures. I mean, there's a lot here. You look at the back, it's got this really nice directory where you can really see really quickly some different, some of your peers out there and what they're doing and how many logos they got in this year. And then Bart Odell, man, can you believe this guy? Look at how many logos he got in this year. He's just, he may need a book of his own next year. That guy, he does some incredible work. He's worth looking at if you haven't seen his stuff along the way. I might just go in and look real quick and see those 5 logos that I got in. And, oh, there it is. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, this is awesome. Just being able to, I mean, no greater joy to a logo designer or a designer in general to see your work kind of featured in a publication like this. So that is LogoLounge Book 11. I think you can nab this thing on Amazon. Not sure just how much it is, but this thing is worth its weight in gold. So I want to say it's around that $30 or $40 range. So yeah, thanks for taking the time to hop on here with me, and hope you can nab this amazing book. Take care.